Hey everyone, Russ here with Insane Custom Stencils. We're going to do a quick painting tutorial on a topwater lure. This is a simple design. Here it is finished. Well, I'll start off with a base white. I'll do a 1-to-1 mix, my reducer and my white, and do light coats. On the screen I will show you what paints I'm using and what my mix ratio is. I'm spraying at about 18 psi. So let's get this video started. It's very simple. I'm starting out with I call it a baby blue, or it's a light blue base to go over the white primer. We'll get that solid on the body and then we'll be ready to move on to the stencil. I spray in very light coats. Those of you that watch my few videos, you probably already know this, but I do it so that the paint cures quicker. Now that we've got the base coat on, we're going to come in with our purple or violet mix. I've put the mix ratios on the screen. I'm still spraying at the same PSI. This is a PM1 Pop Max 1 stencil. You can get it on our website, www.insanecustomstencils.com. I hold these on. A lot of people cut them off. They'll use rubber bands or tape them on. I find it easier just to grab and go. It's easier to catalog them for me. Using the stencil is pretty straightforward. Just hold it in place. If you want sharp lines, hold it flat onto your substrate. If you want softer lines, then hold it up off of your substrate a little bit. You get a little overspray to blow under and it softens the edge. I'm actually holding the top tight and leaving the bottom feathered out just a little bit. So now we'll just go to the other side, complete the same process. Here on the stencil, you can wipe the damp paint that's left from the previous side off with your fingers or with a rag. She's ready to go. So now we'll do the top. You're wanting to paint the back to blend in with the stripes you've already done on the sides. Always spray from the top and fade down the sides. Try to cover the head. Let a little overspray go over the gills. And that's about it. Now we'll put eyes on it. I'll dip it in KBS a couple times. I'll let her cure. She's ready to fish. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. We appreciate you.